crispy and crunchy chicken fry. It goes very well as evening snacks. It is very alluring and tempting. It fills your mind as well as stomach. Friends, you must try this crispy and mouth-watering recipe at your home.
Hello friends, welcome to Lopamudra's presentation. Today's dish is tasty and crispy chicken chop. So let's make it.
Here I have taken an estimation of 20 chicken chop or fries. So I took 550 gram boneless chicken. Now I am preparing a smooth paste of it by using grinder. Let's make a paste of coriander leaves, 10 garlic cloves, 10 small ginger pieces, 2 green chilies, whole garam masalas like 4 green cardamom, cinnamon, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon nutmeg powder, 4 cloves, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 egg and juice of quarter lemon. We can't add water in this mixture, so egg and lemon juice will help us to get a smooth paste. Let's add the paste on the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Let's knead it. During kneading, add 3 teaspoons of gram flour. Knead again. I have taken 2 times of multi-purpose flour and 1 time of corn flour using this spoon. Add a pinch of salt. Add the mixture with chicken and knead again. You can use either gram flour or flour and corn flour mixture. Here I have shown you both processes. Kneading is done. Now give shapes as shown and keep these for 1 hour. Again take flour and corn flour in 2:1 ratio with a little salt and mix. Here I have made these fries less spicy. You can add more chili if you want. You can add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder with this mixture. Now coat all the fries with the mixture. Here I have coated 5 fries with breadcrumbs and rest with flour and corn flour mix, showing you both processes of coating. You can follow any one. Now keep these fries for 15 minutes to 1 hour. Beat an egg with pinch of salt and black pepper. Now coat these fries with beaten egg and then breadcrumbs. 2 layers of coating will make the fries crunchy and crispy. You can coat both fries with breadcrumbs or one time with flour mix and second time with breadcrumbs, as you wish. I have shown you both ways. Now keep these fries for 15 minutes to 1 hour. Now heat up the oil and check heat with a little amount of beaten egg. It is perfect for fries. Fry chicken fries cautiously using a lid, otherwise oil may spill out. Deep fry these first in low flame, then in medium flame and in high flame for last 2 minutes. We need to give 15 minutes to 1 hour time in each step of making and coating fries, otherwise batter and coating would become loose and fall off from the fries. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get the notifications of my all videos. If you like, please share my recipes to others. I will wait for your like and comments. I am sharing some of my good recipes in my description box. Please check those and you can try those at your home. Friends, do not forget to try these crispy and crunchy fries at your home. These are fantastic in taste. Take a very good care of yourself. Bye.